In the heart of a thriving forest, survivors learn the essence of resilience from the natural world. Indigenous tribes utilize age-old techniques, teaching skills like edible plant identification and water purification. Students experience hands-on training, forging a bond with their environment as they build shelters from natural materials. In this dynamic setting, survival becomes not just a skill but a profound lesson in respect and coexistence with nature. As they embrace challenges, these learners develop not only practical skills but also a deep understanding of their connection to the earth.